Are you getting the message, this account cannot use WhatsApp? This can be annoying, but don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through some effective solutions to help you get your WhatsApp account back on track. Let's begin. Before doing anything, check out if you are using any unofficial versions of WhatsApp. If so, you need to wipe the data of unofficial WhatsApp accounts like GB or YoYo WhatsApp and remove it. To do this, tap and hold the unofficial WhatsApp, tap the I button, tap Storage, tap Clear Data. Now go back, tap Force Stop, tap OK. To stop using these apps completely from your Android device, tap Uninstall. Now restart your Android device. Solution 1. Clear the app cache. If you're using the official version, try out this one. Long press on the app icon, tap on the I button, scroll down and go to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache button. If the message persists, try the next method. Solution 2. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Uninstall the app, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, install the app, and try to create a new account. Solution 3. Verify the phone number. Sometimes the SIM carrier authority might deactivate the SIM if unused for a longer period. So check out if the SIM is active, able to receive calls and SMS. If not, try to reach out to the carrier authority to activate the SIM. And that's how you can fix the "this account cannot use WhatsApp" problem. If this guide helped you, don't forget to check out more tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching.